in Ohio. Muskingum and Perry. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Champaign County, northwestern Franklin County, Ohio, southern Delaware County, northeastern Clark County, southern Union County, Ohio, northeastern Madison County until 10:45 p.m. At 9:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mechanicsburg, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Dublin, Hilliard, Jefferson, Plain City, West Jefferson, Mechanicsburg, Choctaw Lake, Lake Darby, New California, Shawnee Hills, Catawba, Unionville Center, Interstate 70 at U.S. Route 42, Amity, Rosedale, State Route 29 at State Route 38, State Route 4 at State Route 161, Resaca, and U.S. Route 33 at U.S. Route 42. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile marker 78 and 91. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado watch, effective until 1 a.m. Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio.